Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for e-commerce. E-commerce is the present and future. Entrepreneurs and merchants all around the world are realizing the importance of e-commerce optimization. Experts estimate that there will be more than 2.14 billion digital shoppers worldwide by 2021. For online marketers, this is fantastic news. But how can you gain a competitive advantage in a market when millions of enterprises are vying for customers' attention? Advantages of using Ecommerce PPC Management. With Google Ads for e-commerce, you can make the most of your PPC money. Our Ecommerce PPC professionals work to increase sales through your shopping ads, allowing you to concentrate on other elements of your business. Our dedication and experience have resulted in millions of dollars in sales for our clients, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Clixtell cutting-edge technology. Clixtell is a software as a service firm that specializes in detecting and blocking erroneous click activity in Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns, as well as call tracking services for businesses and digital marketing agencies. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.